Why Adiyogi Shiva only meditating all night? Anybody saw he's lying down? No, right? He determined that whenever I am alive, I sit only. I never lie down. Sometimes in the one time Devi Virat Swarupa, she took the form. Nobody is able to control. So he came in front of her. He killed her. She killed him. And then he died. Then at the time when he is dying, he is lying down on top of him. Devi sat. One picture is there, but at the time he is dead already. He decided that when I am alive, I'll sit only. I'll not lie down. That is the power of Adiyogi Shiva. So if you're anybody literally know about Shiva, take the inspiration from the Shiva. So many great yogis, they never lie down. They were sitting and meditating to reach to the Guru and Paramaguru level.